She's managed to get. Now she's got the dog up on her mouth. See, I told you she's been doing it by herself.
Oh, you want to know what stuffing is? Big lucky van on the side of a freeway. My parents didn't even bother to drop me off at a hospital. I ended up in the foster system and I had to sit wait until I was...
What are you doing, silly bum? She was just like staring at it. I don't know how she got it up on her chest, but she slowly did.
Your mom is trying her best.
And then she was just staring at its face. The doggy trying to eat you.
But at least she wanted to.
The parents that leave me on the side of the freeway. When you went through the wardrobe,
Yeah.
the parents are trying to get me on the curb.
Is that your doggy? The doggy say woof woof woof.
No. Oh. No. No. No.
Now she's eating the doggy.